May I know your complete name, ma'am?
My name is Aarti Sundhi.
Where do you stay in Delhi NCR?
We stay in Greenwood City, Sector 46, Gurgaon.
How old is your kid, ma'am?
My son is 5 years old now and my daughter is 7.
Ma'am, what were you looking for your child?
We were looking for an environment in a school which would make our child a confident individual who is happy and optimistic and looks at world as a nice place to live in.
So, which all preschools did you consider for your kid, ma'am?
We did not consider any other schools. In fact, we got our son admitted in a regular school which was like from pre-nursery till grade 12, hoping that he would adjust and just pass out from there. But his preschooling there was not going the way we wanted it to go, and he was not becoming the confident child that we wanted. So we happen to know Jimmy very well, who is associated with IntelliThoughts very, very closely, and I came to him and asked for help. I came and told him what my son was going through and how frightened he was to wake up every day in the morning to go to school, and he would not just leave me. And Jimmy smiled and he said, get him over, get him to IntelliThoughts.
Okay.
And we got him here and it made all the difference in his life.
Okay, ma'am. So, how has your experience been with IntelliThoughts? I mean, what are the two things about IntelliThought preschool that you really like?
The first thing that I really like about IntelliThoughts, which is very unique to them, is their belief and trust that every child is a unique individual and has his or her own strengths. They believe every child is intelligent, as their name suggests, and they truly do it just not in word but in spirit. The second thing that I really like about them is their spirit of awe. They are so happy with everything a child does, and that gives so much confidence to a child. The second thing which I find very unique about IntelliThoughts is the synergy that they create in their organization. Right from the director to, I would say, the guard at the gate, everybody has the same intention of making all the children to love this place and be comfortable here.
Ma'am, are there any areas in IntelliThoughts Play School that needs to be improved according to you?
I think according to me, they're just doing so well, and I would just wish and pray that they continue doing what they're doing.
On a scale from 1 to 5, where 1 is for least recommendation and 5 is for highly recommendation, so how likely would you be to recommend IntelliThought preschool to other parents also?
Absolutely 5. It's absolutely 5. I have recommended IntelliThoughts to everyone that I know who have children, and in certain cases I've almost insisted.
Okay. Thanks a lot, ma'am.